Hi, my name is Ridwan Ahmed. My student number is W1996052. My game is called Echoes of the Dusk. It's a single player horror exploration game set in a haunted Wild West ghost town. With only a flashlight, the goal is to survive and find the magical item to break the curse. Setting of my game, as you can see, is a Wild West town, an abandoned Wild West town. I focused on mood through lighting, sound and visuals. When finding the special item, you can equip it and collect it in your inventory by pressing E. When you want to use an item, you can just press left on your mouse button. To find this magical item, you must explore all the buildings and look out for this item. Once you find this item, you just need to survive and be able to capture the creature before it encounters you and follows you. Now the creature is triggered by entering specific zones. Once that's been activated, it haunts the player using a behavior tree system that I built using blueprints and behavior tree tasks to handle attacking, chasing and reacting to the item once it's been hit, or let's say captured. This is an example of one of the blueprints. This is the behavior tree where it shows what the creature will be doing. So this is the main task. So this is the creature. It gives you options of what it can be doing. So here it will be searching for the player. So we gave it a task that the creature will roam around, and every time it roams around, it will wait 3 seconds. Once it's done that and it encounters the player, we have tasks where it will chase the player. Once it's caught the player, it will attack the player, which will start the game again. So again, if this doesn't work and the player escapes, then it will loop this task until it is able to again go through this task as well. Once the player finds the magical item, they must survive one final chase, throw it at the creature. If successful, it breaks the curse and ends the game. You have caught the creature. So these are the tasks and blueprints. So the tasks are here. These are all the blueprints that I've created in order for the creature to work, move about. If we go back, you can see here, so this is how we implemented the creature, how it's gonna look, so it doesn't look standard. Our behavior tree, our blueprint classes, animations that our creature will do, so it doesn't just stand still and normal. Here on blueprints, we also got the weapon. So this is the magical item that we know we must find. This is the only thing that will stop the game, that will capture the creature. And interaction button, so that we are able to pick up items, like press E to collect the ball, or F to turn on and off your flashlight. Now I'm gonna run my game. I'll walk around, show you the environment, show you all the buildings that I can enter, and I'll show you how the creature works, how it defeats me and how I can defeat it. So yeah, this is how my game works. So once we start it, we are just introduced straight away with a soundtrack that has been implemented into the game, also referenced in my game plan, where it will be creating an atmosphere, mood for the player. So yeah, so here is a water tank. The water tower is here. We've got a water system dropping. We've got different buildings. We've got trees around, we've got mountains around us, surrounding the town. We've got buildings there. If we press F, we can on and off the flashlight. So yeah, so here we got one. So yeah, you can hear that noise. That noise means that the creature is getting closer. You can see it there. So we can go behind buildings and enter buildings through different ways. So yeah, we entered this building. You can see here we have an interior and exterior layout of the building. So that's the water tank. We got an abandoned building there, I think. We got buildings there. We got stores. We got medical stores. We got another building there. So here we can collect the item by pressing E. Once we collected it, we can go around, look for the creature and defeat it before it defeats us. So again, I said you press the left button. So here you can see the creature. It hasn't encountered us, so if I press left, I've caught the monster. That is it for my game. That is it for my game and how it works. Thank you for watching. The player also has a flashlight, which is the only light source